Hey guys! Recently I bought 3 Bts Mattel dolls from a second-hand doll seller for half the price. So obviously it doesn't come with the box, but I still think that it's quite a steal since I'll be doing a repaint on all of them. As you can see from the title, I'll be doing a Jimin Mattel doll repaint. Alright, here's a close-up of his face. As usual, the hair is really waxy, so I'll have to fix it later. Let's have a look at the original outfit. Again, the shirt is attached to the jacket. I like the details on the shoes the most. The shoes is actually the same as the RM doll. Before you remove the original face paint, remove the outfit first. Start with the shoes. Next, remove the tie. Just push it down like this and slip it over the head. Remove the remaining clothing. Cover the doll's hair and body with a cloth. Use 100% acetone or nail polish remover with acetone to remove the original face paint. Wipe it clean with water. Spray 2 or 3 layers of Mr. Super Clear Matte Spray. Once it's completely dried, you can then start the repaint. Here's a quick look on my first attempt. I'm not really satisfied with the final result, so I wipe everything off with the nail polish remover and respray 2 or 3 layers of Mr. Super Clear Matte Spray and let it dry completely. Get your reference pictures ready. Alright, now it's my second attempt. I start off by using a brown watercolor pencil to draw out the shape of the eyes and eyebrows. Make sure your watercolor pencils are super sharp. Color in the nostrils. Color in the lips as well. I'm using different shades of pinks. Add some water with a fine tip nail art brush. To save my progress, I spray on another few layers of Mr. Super Clear Matte Spray. Let it dry. Continue adding more details. Use an eraser to erase off any mistakes. Color in the whites of the eyes with white acrylic paint. I made a little mistake here, so I just add a little bit of water to a cocktail stick to wipe off the mistake. Once the white acrylic is completely dried, spray a few layers of Mr. Super Clear Matte Spray. Add more details. Don't forget to add the tear ducts. Add some white highlights to the lips. Add highlights to the nose bridge, brow bone, and forehead. Dot a tiny white in each pupil. Don't forget to add a little bit of shadow on the whites of the eyes as well. And finish off with a few more sprays of Mr. Super Clear Matte Spray. And the face paint is done! Let's fix the hair. Use water and a little bit of fabric softener to wash the hair. Let it dry completely. Cut and style it to your own liking. The outfit I'll be making is inspired by Jimin's Serendipity music video. To make the outfit, place the shirt template onto a piece of white fabric and trace. Do the same for the back of the shirt. Stack and trace the sleeves as well. Add 1 cm of seam allowance. Cut out the pieces. Stack the 2 pieces for the back of the shirt together and pin. Sew it at about 2/3. Cut a few slits on the seams of the neckline and glue it down. Add some details onto the neckline by sewing all across. Do the same for the front of the shirt. Cut some slits and glue it down. Stack the front and the back together and pin. Sew it together. After that, pin on the 2 sleeves. And sew. The sleeves will now look like this. Fold the remaining seams and iron. Sew the seams. It's now going to look like this. Pin the shirt down. And sew the remaining parts together. Cut some slits on the underarms of the shirt. Flip the shirt inside out. Arrange the Velcro onto the back of the shirt and sew it on permanently. The shirt is now completed. Now onto the pants. Place the pants template onto the white fabric and trace. Add 1 cm of seams all around, except for the top part, add 2 cm of seams. Cut the pieces out. Take 2 pieces, stack and pin. Sew this part down. The pieces will now look like this. Stack the front and the back together and pin. Sew the sides together. Next, fold the remaining seams and iron. Sew the remaining seams permanently. Line up and pin the remaining parts together. And sew. Cut a few slits here and flip the pants inside out. Measure a piece of elastic strip on the doll's body. Remember to leave some seams on the elastic strip. Sew the elastic strip together like this. Now, flip the seams inside and place the elastic inside the pants. Fold the seams down and sew it in place. The pants is now completed. Now for the fun part. Let's dress up Jimin. I hope you enjoyed watching this fun project. Don't forget to click a like. I would appreciate it a lot. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Do leave a comment if you like. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!